Two House committees want Health Secretary Francisco Duque and four other cabinet secretaries sitting in the PhilHealth board to be held accountable for allowing the state health insurer to advance close to 15 billion pesos to healthcare institutions since the coronavirus pandemic started in March. The Public Accounts and Good Government and Public Accountability Committees recommend the filing of graft and technical malversation as well as administrative charges against Labor Secretary Silvestre Bello, Budget Secretary Wendell Avisado, Social Welfare Secretary Rolando Bautista, and Finance Secretary Carlos Dominguez over the implementation of the Interim Reimbursement Mechanism or IRM. The cabinet members are all part of the PhilHealth Board, which approved the resolution that allowed IRM to be used even for non-COVID-19 cases. In a joint committee report draft leaked to the media, lawmakers pointed out the unclear legal basis for the IRM. It described the IRM as flawed and, quote, encourages large-scale corruption and collusion between PhilHealth officials and healthcare institutions. The committees also recommended the filing of charges against former PhilHealth President Ricardo Morales, Executive Vice President Arnel de Jesus, and other top executives over the IRM. Duque and fellow cabinet secretaries were also included in the list of officials which the committees recommended to be sued for the PhilHealth's use of a payment system without authorization from the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. The committees also recommended the filing of charges against past PhilHealth chiefs over the supposed questionable resolution of cases against erring officials.
On the basis of what they did as a policy board, as the policy-making body of the board of PhilHealth, kasama sila dun sa naging violation. Hindi naman natin sinasabi kaagad na guilty sila eh. Ang punto lang is dumaan sa board, nandun sila as chairman of the board and may mga approvals.
Defensor says House leaders will be filing soon the proposed PhilHealth Crisis Act, which will give the President authority to overhaul the corporation. The joint committees are set to discuss the draft committee report on the PhilHealth investigation next Tuesday. Cian Arcangel, CNN Philippines.